Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. Now today's video we're looking at the normalized difference built-up index. So let's get straight in. So yeah, the index is used for mapping impervious built-up surface, which reflects more strongly in the short-wave infrared than the near-infrared, the reverse of the typical vegetation signature that you may be used to. So basically, the bands will be using the short-wave infrared one and the near infrared. We'll be working with QGIS as earlier stated using Landsat 8, so that will be band 6 and band 5 appropriately. Let's quickly go through the practical. Raster menu, Raster Calculator, bracket open, band 6 minus band 5, bracket close, divided by bracket open, band 6 plus band 5, bracket close, NDBI. Nice. NDBI. Just a confirmation. 6.5 short infrared NDBI. Correct. Run. So the result basically brings us areas more impervious and in terms of built up areas, just like the explanation. So it's used to give an idea of places that we may have generated built up areas as yeah, so maybe it is used rather to map out impervious and built up surfaces, and that's our result. Upon symbology and clicking to my area of interest, I'll be able to run my analysis more properly to get the results I need. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Do like, share, and subscribe. Happy mapping.